open the hatch thermal cover. And then you'll be right waist tethered to airlock gearing extender.
Copy. I'll report back.
The bag's going to have to get in there as well.
Understood.
View here from Mission Specialist Mike Fink's camera as
Thermal cover coming open.
shuttle in the station passed 217 miles above Chad, heading towards the border of Sudan.
Copy thermal cover.
Hatch thermal cover is open. And I'm sticking my head inside. And I'm going to put my right waist tether.
Right waist tether to airlock internal D-ring.
Airlock
Extend. Yeah, you can go to D-ring extender.
Okay, going to the D-ring extender.
As you can get your left waist tether ready.
And my left waist tether is already on his hook. His hook's still in place.
Okay.
I'm here. Excellent, welcome. And I'm getting inside. Let's get out of your way. Okay, I got a rudder thermal cover. Good job. Okay, Mike, now I'm going to use your help to my feet forward. All right. Yeah, rotate the other way. There we go. That side, okay, all right. Yep. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Thermal cover coming close.
Mission Specialist Greg Shanatoff now in the Quest airlock with Mike Fink, the last Space Shuttle crew member to conduct a spacewalk, now back inside the airlock.
Yeah, I've been impressed with different, better pieces of Velcro.
And Taz, be sure, once you release that ret, you don't want to get near that thermal cover. It'll pop back open on you.
Even if you look at it funny.
Yeah, so keep your tether packs, everything clear. That definitely don't have it.
Hey, Mike, we just closed the hatch on. That is a successful and safe EVAs for the shuttle program.